I'm Tony McCracken of American Power Services. Welcome to a brief demonstration and explanation of PATC, as we fondly call her, Plasma Arc Tube Cutting, or PATC. Here you can see the operator working a series of torches in a tube and tube sheet mock-up. After each cut is complete, he replaces a hot torch with a cool one. The simple and economical design enables the operator to work with an array of torches that can be used repeatedly before repairs are needed. This greatly increases the life of consumables. I should point out that the operator in an actual job setting cannot see the cutting take place. He relies on the markings on the armature and a trouble indicator for assurance of completing each cut. Starting at 0 and finishing at 0 makes a complete cycle. In the mock-up you are watching, the tubes have been double spaced to provide a better view of PATC's operation. Notice the end result of PATC on a mock-up of standard pitch. The dross around each cut as a result of tuning our 6-pulse phase-fired SCR supply to cut a tube without damaging the adjacent tubes. A particularly important point when cutting tube samples for analysis. The power supply is a state-of-the-art plasma interface controlling a high-resolution, tightly choked plasma arc, courtesy of 6-pulse phase-fired SCR rectification from a 480-volt, 3-phase input. To date, we have cut samples to a depth of 30 feet. Notice how easily the dross falls away or folds over upon extraction of the tube stub. In an effort not to harm adjacent tubes, the fine cut we make, though completely cut, may re-weld some of the dross and not allow the tube to drop the way most of them have. Just as the dross falls away during extraction, this re-welding of the dross will easily separate during extraction. In this demonstration you're watching 5/8 OD by .064 minimum wall stainless steel tubes being cut internally at a depth of 8 inches from the face of the tube sheet mock-up.
The simple white tube with the letters PATC written on it sets the depth of cut, and this is true for any depth.
PATC's present state of development enables us to cut a range of tubes from .406 inches ID to 1¼ OD. This is true for any material and any wall thickness and almost at any depth, though to date 30 feet has been the extent of our depth in the field. Obviously, PATC was never developed to replace the many very fine and much simpler internal tube cutters suitable for most jobs. However, if you have a tough tube to cut, please give us a call at 1-800-535-6649. I'm Tony McCracken with American Power Services. Thank you for watching.